Dyfrig Williams ydw i, ffermwr Llangwirfon, Ger Aberystwyth. Ni'n cadw tua 1000 o ddefed yma, a mae'r holl wyn yn mynd i Dymbia yn Llanybydder.
My name's Jacob Anthony and I'm from Bridgend Young Farmers. I've been a part of the Wales YFC Lamb Initiative now for about 4 years.
Ni'n cyflenwi yn Dymbia ar y cynllun Menter Wyn Cyfi Cymru. Partneriaeth yw hwn rhwng Dymbia, Sainsbury's a Cyfi Cymru.
It's a great scheme that they've got in collaboration with Dymbia.
Fe bod yn gynllun gret a hefyd yn gynllun syml iawn i fi fel ffarmwr. Yr unig beth sydd rhaid fi wneud yw'r tic yn y blwch ar y ffurflen pan fi'n mynd â wyn i Dymbia.
Many benefits. The first benefit of all is the fact that they pay you £1 bonus for every lamb that hits specification, which in my eyes is a win-win. You know, it's basically money for doing nothing.
Ar ôl hyn, wrth i rwy'n yn taro gofynion y farchnad, nhw'n ni'n cael pint o bonus am bob oen, a hefyd fydd 40 cinog yn mynd i Cyfi Cymru. Fydd 10 cinog o hyn hefyd yn mynd nôl wedyn i'ch sir chi'ch hunan.
Another benefit of this wonderful scheme is the fact that Wales YFC as well as Dymbia both provide lots of different training days, you know, which a lot of us as members we can go to and learn from different things, bring back new ideas and potentially implement them in our home businesses.
Yr unig beth sydd eich wneud i fod yn aelod o'r cynllun yma i fod rhwng 1 ar 15 a 40 oed a fod yn aelod neu aelod cyswllt o Cyfi Cymru. Mae hwn yn gynllun gret a bod ni'n cynghori unrhyw un sy'n cynhyrchu wyn i fynd ar y cynllun yma. Os nag ych chi'n cyflenwi wyn i Dymbia ar hyn o bryd, mae digonedd o canolfannau gael ar draws Cymru lle fydden nhw'n cludo ar wyn o'r ardaloedd yma i'r lladdu.
Lastly, I think there's something about the scheme that a lot of people don't realise, and I definitely would have signed up to the scheme a lot earlier if I'd had a little bit more awareness, is the fact you don't actually have to be a shareholder in a business or a business partner. You know, you just have to work on the farm. It could be your home farm that you have to work on, or it could be a farm down the road, it could be a neighbouring farm. You know, you have to be a paid up member of YFC and working on a farm to be able to get the benefits from this great scheme.